Good day, good day. It's a beautiful day to be alive. Start your day off right. Start your baby girl's day off right. Here's a few texts you can send your beautiful lady in the morning. You can say, good morning, beautiful. You can say, I hope your day is as beautiful as you. You can say, I woke up thinking about you. You can say, how is it possible that you're just as beautiful in my dream as you are in person? Just send your lady or the person that you're really into a beautiful text. Not only are you starting your day right, but you're helping that powerful woman start her day right. Because when you got somebody powerful behind you, when you encourage and empower your woman, it multiplies everything you do. Keep that in mind. Send her a beautiful text every day. Hey, if you don't got a lady, send it to your mom. If you ain't got that, send it to your daughter. Either way, you can change somebody's day to day.